Alright guys, yesterday I had a call where a guy said that the furnace is making a hell of a racket, and so I went by there. Apparently the inducer motor, it's an 80% furnace, the inducer motor wheel is way out of balance. So what we got is the new inducer motor, and we're gonna go put it on. I'll get you some video clips of what we find when we take it apart. So hang in there. There's an old Tempstar, and this is the noisy one. Let's get her apart and see what we got. I'm gonna do it with one hand here. Anyway, that's the culprit. I'll turn the power off. Take her out. Alright, we got the new one here. I'll pop that one off. Hard to get out of there naturally. Oh yeah, there's a problem. Coming apart. All nice and new. Make sure you put the gasket on there. It's got some adhesive on the back. You just put it on there. Seals it up. Which is nice. You have to peel that off and stick it on there. Pretty easy. Clean the old one off best you can. Peek in there. Yeah. Let's pop her on there and see what we got. Yeah, that's a lot better. Dropping everything. Oh yeah. Put her in. Put that on there. There you go, guys. That's it. Got that back on there. Put the screw back in. There you go. Looks like a new one. Alright, we got that in there. There's my hacker light. Kind of like that thing. try this out. Make sure the inducer motor sounds good. That's a lot better. That sounds a lot better, doesn't it, Jason? The other one was missing some of the blower wheel.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yep, good deal. Guys, that job's done. I got referred to this guy by a carpenter that I work with a little bit, and I actually put this furnace in when I worked for another company. So it's good to be back and see the old furnaces are still running. So anyway, that's it on this one, guys. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.